adeɛ da no so amfa ntoa ifiri tɔ deɛ di kan Galamsey yɛbɛtumi atu aseɛ ɛna me professor solution number 1 ɛne sɛ ɛnsase na ayi asɛ no yɛde ani bɛkɔ ɛso na yɛayɛ alternative livelihood ama wɔn these catchment areas. But you can see a land reclamation. Next will be Eddie Pa our Galamsey site. Ebia unya 400 Ghana a day. Now see the compartment ye chichem Eddie ama companies so mukwa reclamation on condition say a mebuna room ye Galamsey no. Omuna mo fa mo ye aboam ye land reclamation no at the same money okopa wo pa ebra no mo sense asase de no woje no ye tua ne sense kana na ye asase no waboa me ya hye ya asase ni yi a omo ani beje ho. That is number 1. Okay. Afei number 2 se wo hwe the security aspect of omo activities na de di kan mini Obama foreign invasion say ahoho abeg Galamsey catchment areas ne madden and no sophisticated weapon regular army kra ni bi akogo wo mo ede ebo mo ba because the thinking is na comfort ba mo so edi China for the tuo because I say chibi samija fi of chibi a e be TV so ma me hu ye etua de go na bru 50 anye enkwada tuo sa tuo ni na se Ghana tuo be dio individuals semwa say ahwe ye na mo tani against the nation say mokura no gold wom say ehun say mokura mo nya serious ye no mo de be siani mo po be tu gold na e man timi nkwa afum all these areas will be captured by foreigners. O dia no to nchan a so I call Galamsey site election time. I had opportunity to visit so many areas.
Yeah.
Especially when say brother won call mine in Diano movie. Now me call any man me hu ye no. Ama me sia fimwa be si ne. This is a security one some na make no.
Yeah.
Yedi ka no. Sika omunya nyina omu squandeska no. Especially omu di power no. Tramon ni no enuboni nyina eho enu omu di hu dwa kese. Na boy sia ye tintan say Woma ye tintan o kasa no kra wonte and as how from other nationals
abegu
owura be say o kwa utimi du owura bi mu na ma be 20 no ma line up babusa say intimusro this midnight na ma jina atwa Galamsey for that discard from musem
yeah we nyina ko ye de na o ho
yes ya kwa campaign minua so show my brabo a yakopon ni kura nim ye breeding crofobia that we muti me bibia mo Ghana wo show my brabo mo de wo site wo now twen sanwe ne eniema ekoso na my brother obaka ho obesu you will cry for Ghana. You know the security aspect no aveyama health we ma breaking it down oba health ebi na wo say yewura sampede anu dia ba say kanne ye wo nkwala na ne nsa we nyina ni hona we na betua ebi ahwe na kodia wo say de esa koso abortion edidachi reproductive cycle no kwa akonya issue ye ma no be wo aboa yama wo ma be si anan no ye de Galamsey ehun susuanso ma nkwara ne pon ye emari nyinsa ne nkwara na pon wo dia no to nchen a kidney ne ada diseases na alien to Ghana ene because of metals ne nyema abegunso ntino ene okokwale bunum ne kumase no ma kidney fo bebrebe
ate si
eno ye health hazards make am wasem on economic front my brother ensuya na my fish nsu kakra te se pranom ne wo mu maka at a point kra ya ye mark some of these rivers ye de be hydro de be generate hydro power.
Yes.
And o ma se ni nyina fish ne wo sa nsuo no mu a na eboama ye bafa no ekọ nanim no ene sa nsuo ne yi fish ba kokra o ma nyeye eti ama ya sai a stretch your import bill no for fish importation me ba to say
yes nsu nama na nke benya wa ha awe no yenya biem tije ye kokra bi be hye deficit no.
Thank you. Enuane ay contaminated so who did you kwa na yam hihyew na nizusu aso kese apart from say Ghana for ye huna mane no discourage tourism. When you say room tourism here number 2 income earner Ghana. Yes, tourism be second. Say boni ba koma not no internet any sare mata be kon sare o Ghana me kwa kodidi. Yes nnuani nyina na say tourism na mais kakese no. Galamsey ase ama ne nipa ba kra obi ba sare o so say oba no bedi dia wan ra obedi contaminated food.
Yeah.
Eti na me na nko. Say scanner ka tourism be nya wo mu no aboyen. On the same economic front, so cocoa production and the baby cocoa, you production adrendal ababibra. It is telling you, sir, the traditional way of raking revenue in this country, no, ya done no. Akofa gold abeshawo. You beba gold no so. Nya hwe the gold no so ya maye. Minua, so the environmental, the turbidity of our water bodies. Dear water production. Potable water. We have fame. We had the uncle ne serious activities. We would ahuni and the chlorine. I baby was you. The South Korean so called video mupia and also as one year the bounty pediano. A better baby no. The better cotton gold. Near this canal sacre bagana.
Right.
And also air pollution.
There's an effect in it, you're widespread.
Air pollution. Now, Obama.
Yes.
So say, you bet now your crossroad. Your mama say, go to my export. Export revenue, yenya.
Yes.
Go na Odike. Employ nipa 4 million. Your mama. My yenya say, temporary hold up. State of emergency now. We will get time to assess the land assay, the quantum of land sir and Kofoe Amana say. Then we have created alternative livelihood. Ama mabuna more site on say Yamoya Odike compartment A on nipa 200. Moya Galamsey for Moya Manen. Menko pikibi Naska umunya umude sense aseno. Memfetro mo kane yamwa ni ensiesia asase no na yan reclaim land no ni anya afforestation. Agriculture Ghana yo arable land no se ka se ya agriculture nya ni ya enye gold yonko no ne ba bia yesusu no Obama ni ya maize cropping.
Yes.
Udwa banjo kwa udi ka de cotton fam.
Yeah.
Asawa obi adua asawa e de fra afebo se asawa this can be bre instant money because enche na aba canaf ade botoi.
Yes.
Ni ya de fra. There's so many things that I am miscropping. And then, I say MPP and DC, the means as a baby dumping for no to. If you're not a baby, you can't say quite quiet, son, we are entering. It's called Nuna, you're the answer for money.
Yenya.
And you know, Yenya agriculture and to baby cry, Muntia do the Kermokano. Na MPS content monko. Eti, you're a mama. Miss Srel, Miller Millon.
Yeah.
Mimpo ye. So what to me anya Galamsey what you may ya said you mean this in the car no Ghana for bufu sure baba mo so no e be che MPP de no
okay
me de man wo be si kra no ye re kopoku o se aduane abu wuram
o se aduane ayefo
e wo wuram
ayefo e wo Ghana
me say transportation system
yeah mom na yes suggest anopa ne ne di nkomo de e ka che ne se o se aduane ayefo wo Ghana and I'm see betimi a confirm say well e wo farm there aduane na ayefo ama farmers ne bi kra stress e meto aduane but kusua na ne yeto ne 2024 saa de yeto ne this year
Did they say no?
Ken can a ton of 2024 7 cities. I had a ton.
It is a metimini penny nasia. Now your farm gate producing your ho. Now and yet equilibrium distributed. As I say, a co-location man and bon acquired the intended wedding. It is the best thing to do now, they say. Young creative food distribution private companies.
Okay.
There will be more mobile, say.
I know a union government book.
Okay. Then. Hey, quite. Now, what ya? Okay. Unim. If you the Kenya mammy 50 schools. I'm so pro Mabiani. Sabian Nam is so plan. And now I want to say, mental local products and one farmer school for.
Yes.
It's all the boarding facilities. A buyer here in Mabiani. Ya charm private people. And now, I'm your TV3. It's a more aso one young talk. Ego. It is a buying. Ujai Lebanese for the year with the Banama to us at the school for it. Next Odike, strictly for made in Ghana, a in the feeding Kualano. A bro, a more banchi, mankani, bordia, and young family mano. May catch our nest. You started from here, Ayakono. Yes, son. Now 2 companies who come say,
yes,
Ash Food and a City Food. A tampon time. Woman and a supply in your animal school for your mom be 50 schools. Near no call agreement. In your in local into call it could do baby get menu. No sad door by any be. Why just I say our door. Sabayan and now. Yes, one for school for the bear for. No more profit.
Yeah.
Or one didn't you cry or Dobia no side of school for no. Next can in air banner. I think say a started class at the South School for Niaman free. Ama a phone come how woman are ready market for their farm produce.
Yeah.
Near South Korea, a man could see about a day.
A Yania Bua.
Yania Ghana for a see a man womb. Yet the scanner Emma Korea Kusiaba Koni ye Chiaka. For better no more as of
the produce your market.
Produce your market or wouldn't they know me? Come register for I no more competition will be after the
sad eating our can and say. Minim say or say a force will be no take his measure way. Nanoa asante achimagogo tomato ni bebu ho no. Omo MP ko gina akwa ho a patch or say embeto ma omo. Na mampanyi ama ya hye se yenton koma Ashanti Regional Schools. Ehho a Ashanti Regional Schools no nyina de cars abeto niam.
E policy.
Enti I was say a force wo mo beto ana because wo koto tin tomato from Thailand. Ene China be no aduane ama student e wo agogo. Ba omo papa mo so do tomato a yento.
Again, akwara bi of water region. Ne wodi akwala ne sa no man. Baba ne asesa Thailand mo ene de akoma mo ho no. Obi okumase yedi bancha pese yedi mankani yedi bibia ne akwasa Thailand enuane na akoma nkola.
Well,
na banche ne body no so pro.
We union government nko
a ne wo because alternative solution.
Simple idea.
Well, simple. Yani aduane ave bebia hospitals na sa ne e kono. Bebia bo se enuane dodo na fani ni way of ready market.
To me TZ ma tamale.
Yet me TZ ma tamale.
Where TZ?
Good. Okay. Yenye yes aduane me ma nkola no. Akanche wan aprapansan those things.
I can't share the okwa chiri dodo.
Na say to. Wudu krom say
I can't share the crowd mu ni do.
Wo say?
I can't share the aprapansan de oya.
Aprapansan. Na ko buffet. Ayi go moving pick no mo say
Odike. Almost we enjoy na winim. Let me go school at time, let me go to Tamasco. When I'm A level.
Okay.
O level rather. Na ya time no me TZ my. Na ade be TZ no. Can you imagine say TZ na ye sebe hofo na duane indigenous na duane no. Sebe na ebi mu mpe. Ni obi a na mpe be na dodo na mpe.
Okay.
Na ade be TZ no. Bon say ye koda ne hola. Na ye dru kwa bi ebi nye tize kra na ebi na dade o ma emutuo be ma emutuo nkate kwan no ma twetwe leaves agum enti ye hyeda ye dru edane ho na animu ani ahya se ne etiem tizo be na bi musa o machi
na mo pena kodi
yes so what you say
woni
mama ko fad so
Obama mama by force land enti what I'm saying is say o man no ye ni abresi a hihye Ghana yi a ye onkrofo madwene mu da ho partisanship ma ba na aba we nyam nipa yɛne ayɛ discriminate against talents na yɛwia ne asa kɔgyina bɔkyerɛ sɛ aborɔfo sisiɛ yɛwɔ kurom ha koraa no wɔma adwenem da wa wɔsɛ wɔmbɛboa aban no yɛmfiw woyɛ no akɔgyina baabi United Nations ɛna aborɔfo abu yɛkwasea ɛna aborɔfo ayɛ sɛ wɔaso bu kuromfoɔ kwasa ɔmo mɛtumi ayɛ adwuma no wɔso ɔmo nyɛ adwuma no.
Well, Chama Odike and our tenant Kano on both Galamsey and our face food inflation. Fahad Osman, a member of the New Patriotic Party communications team. Fahad, yeah, can't Galamsey. Basically, I'm saying I can't food prices, not so crying. The next 10 minutes, baby, I'll pass all the Fabia.
That's very it's already kind. Message so I have 180 of Manchester. Become on late. The first day in here.
Yes.
First impressions, I count a lot.
Yeah.
Where the minister create a very negative one for myself.
Oh, way.
And I believe that moving forward now.
Yeah.
Moving forward into the future and Tonko Sebio.
Right.
Now, Eja, Akoye, Ubia Udi, football and Comoy. And the message said, Obama, my faculty is not congratulating me for my university.
Okay. UDS.
But
I can't want some man to pay to Boma Basso
studies. Boma Basso strong Kone. Oh, there you say, Moya Blaster. Yeah, my
name's Oko.
UDS. First degree UDS.
No, Omoye, me share team no from the first game.
Very disciplined
to the last game. And Ultimately, say, Omo DNA. Resilience, you know. Osha Omoa. Until the whistle is blown.
No, the point is we are coming from afar.
Oh, right.
So we need to prove a point. And I believe Zen Round will prove that point.
Over.
Nah, I ran to be a winty. I was main country. Man can't run a me punch over Obama.
Okay.
Was this a winty or on Pian Kujma?
Oh, wow.
It took a break in the crowd and a hano. Send this a new message, Verno, Buhari.
Okay.
Or winty.
Okay, Buhari.
So help.
Yeah, Chia,
nah, my
Buhari went to know.
Went to know.
And yes,
and yet, Nigeria Buhari.
Your MB Buhari,
Buhari, some but yeah, interest especially, Yane. And a sports team no and UDS for being common.
Beautiful.
And in the evening UDS you know Yabo Mabaswa Omakwa University World Cup. The first time by an African school.
Wow.
And the
it's a great achievement.
That's a euphoria no form. Go my idea.
But social media there.
Pick up.
Before bedroom midweek, I pick up.
The cafe now, pick up.
President from Bana catch it. No bomb about soon as a man crano more from in Cratchit say, hey, so we don't want to go to be a president.
I'm sure
said to have
more China.
Quick one, no.
Okay.
Odike woman, so my president Mahama Bia. Oh, my dear, prefer back who seen the normal fan command was
constitutional review for
more the pa, who came with more the pa.
Yes.
Nah, sir. A bear, man, asked him to the so, man, for crab, one pie, my party, and that's be in your bar. And your party much sign the movement, made us be now. I am a prepared. You say, is a Diana Boer and a Galamsey on some semi. Which it is important, a Galamsey come be a druno. You be a man your seminar day, a free Galamsey common. Now it's made in common year. A calculate say, and then no Sebio say, was one your coup position as a sour bay moi. Now all come outside then as a sacra. And on the design chum and within the Galamsey sector no ever. Made a messer. Ye jitum any man this for or Monyam pound chow dear. Nemum, ye the Becatcher must say a year too late. Some be pound chow. Nagana for in your GDB said Sana Galamsey and Sebi, nay near the problem of the MPP government.
Yes.
I believe that that's the first point of call in dealing with this particular problem. So much me ye bold enough, a patch out Ghana for say Ghana for Mufan Chayan, Sebi and Nadane and Trona ye cut to a bino to him and say, or no nation Galamsey, you know, San Antissa. Yeah, who picks any critics are put on engine tomb. Right. So, yes, sir. A bit more or more fight, you know, in against it. You're supporting or more in this fight against Galamsey. Because 2 weeks ago, Minya Queen name Director America's Abuaje, they travel across the country, they observe the distractions at Koso on our water bodies. I yensuano river na call ya, you know, senior. Yentu Galamsey, our area. That's the central region. Yentu Galamsey or now, I want some say Galamsey near to the eastern region. And who's so now Barbedru as your house I know.
And then I'm try and a crown and what Galamsey.
To Galamsey activity origin number dia. Name moment a different region. You may dinner Baba affect you. It's out in crime. I say, oh, and the NDC abenti no Galamsey command me nka bibia no problem at all. Nem the problem is ensu na say no kakra ebe kan so kura o ma mi o tie kura na se bio na nka obe sense do man no affect na then you understand say any political party
exactly
problem ni Galamsey. It is first point of call NDC should be bold enough as a government to come out apologize to the people of this country say you play a lot of political football with Galamsey in opposition. You promises a bit must solve within 2 weeks. You catch a Ghana for 2 minutes solving Galamsey no. It is with the president, President Akufo-Addo, the former president, and the Pemitiano. Yes, a son said the for bar. Obey me 2 weeks. I resolving the matters of Galamsey, and it's been almost 9 months now. You who impact biya. Who measures no more running now in dealing with the Galamsey now. Why? Because these were the same measures President Akufo-Addo abano. And the two akwemwa moka senya papa.
Yeah.
And mobile and one more repeat it. Why? Because the Galamsey issue no a very sensitive matter say who to know some year and the problem be breathing eba.
Okay.
And a state of emergency. So mobile your money. You move democracy or money or money. Name 2 million years able to Galamsey as an idea. 2 million kita President John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
2 million kitano. So person obey enforces out to me now. Obey me enforce me to us here. Name momono. Political interest and economic interest the woman political interest and economic interest the woman no ont mean to sana mo no sana announced 2 weeks ago catch Ghana for nyina say wo hesika wenyan so far e mu fa kese na free fa ne ba ye
or say small scale
ne nyina nim say the bro for din small scale na mum no operational name there then Galamsey. But what my point na see it is aban any economic benefit from this particular area ugidi pass obenya ahwodin bi so otu ase prekopesa no
more benefited
from it. And number 2 political interest omo ka kire Ghana fo nyina se President Akufo-Addo former president ni krum chebi and Galamsey headquarters meboa and na me no ka se ukobole me fi wenti ti bole de minimum pa ukobole na Galamsey wo hodada enya fe na me ka se aba ho fro na e hodada benne a double in bole
okay
and NDC national organizer minim say aboni din ya finger no se kwan bi so no bon Galamsey mo nyesa NDC chairman Abanga ya boni din se no bon Galamsey mo NDC MPs be Bernard ba bonti so bon Galamsey mo. So these are the political interest utimu say NDC enya akoma pa bi ontimi ntu ade we ase and when ntimi ntu ase a how no yin na beto yen so timi de disra mesra o mo say yesra mo the economic benefit you are going to get from it no mo sacrifice here no for the greater good of this country.
Okay.
Because President Akufo-Addo men kai crown bebra penyi. Onya kunya betene kunya so in 2017. April and will declare state of emergency and will declare a ban on all small scale mining activities across the country. Where any be enjabi just to understand and assess the situation proper no. E mani nya kunya den ehwe ne mani nyina tutu ne ma binum yie den kunya ne ma bi tutu kwan mu a nanka eboa so Galamsey na se.
Okay.
Ne mmomu no. The biggest challenge in our 8-year period no the opposition share Galamsey fuechi sebi utu asiye no na wenya opposition party ono so twe wo sign
na more fight bia na more show machi
more twe sign with our effort in fighting Galamsey. And I'll give you 2 instances. Okay, 2020 your former president then and our president he catch Galamsey say mo yes nketo ya chitimogumi me ba me den me mamu nyina amnesty na your kingpins bi o ha mo hwemochi omo na yakwachichi omogumu nya sa o kasa se chiro se bi obi a odi boni bia o hye ne kutupa o hye ne den se o kutokoso ye na ya che okra na obi abeja wo nya sa ye nya Dr. Tony Oben ene ndisi mpanyimfo ko Galamsey pit mu ka kire Galamsey ye se motuma ye ya papa we ne na ye former minerals commission CEO motuma ne se bi ono na se aka obi on obema motum mu goda mo panya sa na ka kire ye Emma, friend is saying, what's the name of the NDC Papaya or ladies at me? What's his name? Kwakubuahin. Oksan can TV 2024, so Bessia Kwako said Menebio, one ganjay. It's a winya by na O2 Adibiase, not the biggest opposition party, which is the NDC then. Echo share Tiri, except Galamsey as a chiso, Modia Munya Bonibia, Mokimpis na Abichi or more. We you disanko muya, and Ma Tokwan Muya Dinkakra. And in the Odike catch the Ghana for say the new patriotic party in opposition today. You best support the government in any way.
Okay.
Because we are not going to play political football with Galamsey. Who play political football? I bet goes no. Now we could do fear. wabeto hwidim and then no muti on hwidim yo omo ye emergency state of emergency no nyina so ma no ushi ndis ni bia oni shi a year ago
say Eruna can be
and Wakabi
Kofi Amabo can be
and I was saying
Sam George can be
the
videos are there.
What are they saying today?
And I make say SAS and the internet doesn't
but the truth is today Sami Jemfi say state of emergency ni entutu e bukakra na ni ka say prepare ho esa no kan na say emro opposition o ka kire yen say Galamsey no tumi no kita president mama yen fa so bom mo ahemfo say o mo mebo me ntu Galamsey ase wan kan opposition sa eso na recently almost ahemfo meboa na ntu Galamsey obi biara wo chefa media for mo chefa wom ahemfo wo chefa wom ye say jutum say political parties are opposition yes you wo chefa wom na mom Odike no ne fapin kese na si aban so otu na mo so otu ase a ye nye beta na chi
okay
na mom sabi se na all kwe die nya twem na all ye no emwa Galamsey to kwan bia so
right
because economic benefits omunye free mo present akame yin yatie political benefits omo a omo share manfo echi and na Galamsey site MPP constituency Lucy Galamsey area bia me so be call no MP no ho no so nya Galamsey person himself senior he finance CS ho no nyina Galamsey
MP for pay Galamsey
chief me say ne security agencies your Galamsey yes
did you call yourself
MPs your Galamsey yes
honorable members of
parliament of the presidency your Galamsey yes and the mu media for kra no Galamsey yes bebre na den etata matia
mabodin say
dey kwan so dey kwan so bebre na wo mitene no omo ba bia Odike omo ba bia na mom no Ghana fo na ye hwe anopa ye tie no ye besere sabi me bra wontimi nko obi akura ase nkotu sika ko abra ahemfo
onim de
onim but what point
that's a very good point
ye besere
ahemfo no ho
ahemfo no so no kwan bi so no so ho bon mu bi
okay
sabi mu ko se ye ko ye no political parties fo ntokwa na ahemfo na fo mu adi ti ye besere ndi sifo aban no ye ceremony kan ntum se mu kan se mani kwa se mu kato aban no twem ko ye no na mu mpa ho chew na nyina ye moa mo na ye ntu yare boni yase
very well yamra na yentu adwumadie no eso yenko the biggest or largest opposition party without opposition governance enye effective
very true
but before say omo beba power omo to aba on the 31st of January 2026 no mayi omo flag bearer na eno na abronya akokasa chema untumi so akokasa omo mienu nyina ache say register na e de beto aba no omo ye no kwan bi so a ebetimi aboa ma Dr. Baomi abedi na MPP si o matwem ho afiri ho ba Kennedy Japan team the crata aba bontense o ka say your distance here ho afiri ho a you've not done it now
okay
asem we dem say in the next 5 minutes said the no message as afiri ho na ma be wie wo pedifo so pepe mo na ye mo party
all right opama me das be me gidi say matumebo enra me tie nsensem no me kuse compare abronye video no share the gidi say ensema wa bonten ni ensema wo video no no e boy bra kwan bi so
okay
aba ye koto no 31st January next year no register it's already in place
okay
my main country people ni bi oti man pay say register na dey to about 31st no it's in place the only add on former constituency executives me say I'm a former constituency officer man to abani bie now I've been given opportunity to say me enko register and me no ka say my register me my passport picture cop me me din me voters ID me din na cop for add-ons. This is the only add-ons. So obi me delete obi din free no obi any say to me no. Now I believe say abronye me am chairman no bono regional chairman. Nensem no all canon. It was in a context be. Say omo an omo gina amafo bi no achi etoto mo no omo pe parliament akutu MPs ni bi no. Wonyere mo ho na mo toto mo ne saa. Na ebedru momo primaries ne so no ye be akwa polling station abafo register for na sa register no mesu me de me influence ebe fra amanfo we kire se yenkoto ntia nipa we so esumesi we this is politics we all do behind the scenes but to say it out no na akwa se bia akwa to say ebinom are taken out of context and blow no to that at disadvantage of abron yensem okeka yen my kind chairman untumi letter now the Bible in response to party this no want take no also actually mu say on can sembo ni bia na nensem no all can kosi no say we share the history of our party from 1996 I call presidential primaries okay you call 98 you president Kufuor onya almost 20 something months and a year campaign for 2000 elections and team they win it to me no and say na you kwa candidate for bi obinya ne sa period no with the history of our party, no, or no feel say Baomia the best candidate. It's a party not time the China said the Baomia and can born here be a Nimusa. But Okoye a member of a national council or non-tenor. Sebio na sans say you cannot bontiana the how cry then abba. I believe that is the only wrong thing I may huno in common mudino. Then yes, some kind it has no bearing on the 31st January elections. No, the register is already in place. Obi ntimi udi in free mo. Nipa obi ntimi di free mo se bia se bi onipa no we free mo we wu. But what important as here. And no na bia we try kwese we sumesi we mantemo yin so we free mo. And this register we already know ourselves.
But you support the point like a regional chairman Obeba Bonte point blank say we na me support no about.
I believe say hona me kan no as members of the National Council no. I believe some more asudi bi seka mo support no a year in private.
Okay.
Now obetena radio so TV so your campaign openly because one thing abaye betui ba ko de bedi.
Sir.
Ye wie be hia party fo nyina. Na ya be some party no. Epia party na ko yanim. Say bi se ukogina we yechi na sa ankoto na no ne ho a anhwe na de obeba no. A sign set trimuka sabi once in the patuntum so there and a nipa crank asano sabi unhu nipa trimusem. Okay. A sign say what opposing the penny no. They will always hold some resentment towards you. It's me the message a party for no and penny for an abaway nyangopon adom. Send a beko biano, a bejo. 98, former President Kufuor na konta. Eko internal primaries. Eno kre joy. When na ebe huru senya. Alan Chamatin ko bi ko ya amfe wanting a party. The best party ni bia or odoma party ni se. Abano come 31st ebe to ba ko edin kunim. Na emom se na ye din komo etutuma ye ho no. Ya nhwe ya.
What's your opinion on Team Ken? So distancing is not enough. They should be.
I believe
punished.
Team Ken so echo too far.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'll have to be very honest because there are some videos. Fiti and Rana Jobe. We've seen some videos. Honorable Kennedy Japan prior to the last prime minister call or threaten the former regional chairman and when you we free mo. Chairman Kutin, okay.
Chairman Kutin Central Region.
Or threaten or more. Say you got two star prime ministers we are no one in the region now. The next elections no be make sure be 2 million. These are similar to what Abronya said. You see the differences there. Influence I want to be between the chairmanship.
Okay.
It's made a message. It is not to say chinchina say punish you. This is contest.
Yeah.
There are things Honorable Kennedy Japan team so for air can about tia. Misu say So is it to also say team DM before some story say yes suspend and sanction amount for in that regard.
Okay.
Because me I'm a deputy director of communications. Abua Popon. And same say okay can about tia on me doubt to say MPP niampa. I'll be very honest with you.
Ademo party ni enkan
your party, no, as known as the New Patriotic Party, say be near be saying okay. People have been questioning, say, is it truly an MPP member? But what my point is, and he's part of Team Kennedy. And yes, sir, this is a party not distancing and one. It is only a call to our party leadership. And I said, yes, sir, unim so kita 2 million party more. It's an primary CD, Kebes in the Equine. Dr. Baumiana O'Donnell, on our penasimo, Ken Opo, Dr. Brian Opo. Nipan for support Emmanuel them.
Okay.
And when the campaign we are in a boom na type party nechi.
That's Fahad Osman, a member of the New Patriotic Party communications team. Now watch and sem no more kama Edia Mayeno. Gabi. So we dey say ananka tomolai so.
Be fair sem. So make change things.
I mean coming from it ba ko pe en yi Galamsey ano kakra. Once me ba me ka say obi obeka say ye NDC for na say ban etisu Galamsey to kwa yen hyemu kena bia ye ne ya adwen ye de agitum se e kwan a mfie nwotwe a MPP for fa so a omde kon Galamsey bidru ba bi ne kasa o kana ne ya fi ne MP o wa fi jase was ye nya Galamsey ne enya Galamsey wa kina na Ashanti region onkai so what you say my brother wo kasa bu kan sembe bre look na metia I kept quiet nchina and you know we have so what you say who call of ko ka say ye here party here sika enti enko ye Galamsey so what you say
this year okoka say ye jai Galamsey ye na na do sake no
look Amansie wo be ka Amansie asem me fa Amansie wo be ka Amansie ne ye can say
no me ka say
Mansu area
yes sake no
almost the entire from wo nyina people from no nyina ye Galamsey. Look, the woman say, media, let me admit, say, look, NDC has a responsibility to fight Galamsey. And yet he says, Sabi, MPP for now, no, to my home, Sabi, I will not do that. Yet the legitimate Sasudia there so. Na, yeno, yempine is some kunim dear baba, Negana for the anchane be say yen.
Some microphone.
Oh, Dabi Obama, you see, we are Danya Obama. We are Danya at the NDC MPP and Ghana for. We are Danya NDC. Ghana ni NDC Ghana for ye kan hu.
Akoya sana ese kona mokunya na
Dabi asama make na woman men kan ye na. You see,
okay, from ye nyatwem. Enti na mo ntimi anko. Amuso mo buy the same thing.
Dabi Obama. So here you cry kwan for so dey ku tia Galamsey. Now the share dey na MPP for ya. Enti wonya unhun so ye. Oh, anyway, when me knew what you Dabi me knew what you Sabi enso ya ase ya wo kan ho ase mi. Omo tam ne enso ne ya papa. Nansia uko Western region. If I Denso River, I near start it. So what you see?
Sure.
I can show you.
Konumbi.
But would you tea?
Konumbi.
Is he never be Obama.
Konumbi.
There's no better way to prove that it is getting better.
Unfortunately, Osman. Osman.
No. Man making a point.
Is it the American say? The enterprise friend Galamsey no. Baby e kudu ye no. Me jitum say NDC ye she ye sapo mu kinase ye kutia.
It's getting worse according to acting.
I know that's your own.
According to the acting chief justice.
No, that's your opinion.
I have my opinion. Me say according to my acting chief.
But unfortunately, sometimes Obama, unfortunately, sometimes no. Enti yeah now feel say MPP for moral right. The omo did Galamsey koyi. Omo moral right say.
That make us
yeah MPP ni. Enti yeah feel say MPP for yeah na. Esi omo no ada no omo sabi. Abofo omo down the no the issue is
we are not talking about what MPP is saying. We are talking about the nature of the water.
But I've told you, our commitment to fight Galamsey is no doubt. And I'm about main cancer obia wakache say Galamsey ekono yenhyem kena bia mane ne adwen MPP ta wuti say MPP ni bia betra radio so agi sa
you can only measure effort by results.
So
you can only measure effort by results. Agree with is the result enough?
That be na me buy makasa me see ye member of parliament see look ade ba ko a say a Danish Sudria about the fight against Galamsey ni say yempe timeline for a certain achievement, certain results. Nya videos na make share o enti maka we nyina na say boy yonko betra no the office emfie nwotwe bi o say ni kodu ye no and wadane store abofo and the wadane Galamsey consultant to be able to educate how we should fight against Galamsey. As someone can say be to adwunu and the one adane
also no support to mo
or share osu
so the time in
okay mama call kakra
just 2 minutes
2 minutes and they say 2 minutes credit also do say be MPP for there yeah Obama na dey na Australia
obi asem dey 2 minutes does
2 minutes also do you see on say MPP for only share fidie so a bo me afọ ya na wahu omo kasa bia na wahu omo edime me dey
na odi hu omo
who dey who take us oga bo me afọ ya na wahu omo na you see me dey tembia ya na many MPP for bi ko share na me kan say look ye empire ye bo ena sebi enkonsha ye pe 2028 say MPP for sanfa bo me embra ye empire ye bo ne ye enkomsha ye person nyame de ma ye NDC for say MPP from sanfa bo me embra what you na be national organizer. Look, we are mad the verdict of Dr. Baumia and listen to his verdict. Also, when you're marketable, when you're sellable, I say, look, Baumia, on a mosa,
and I see on the cancer.
And I be,
and I walk a tip tape will be now say,
Sabi, Ubia, and be words were. Well, on near a month for now, on walk on recording on the buy. So what you see. Now, you see, as someone more can all the arrangement towards their presidential primaries have been cooked to favor Baumia. And they say abronye and I say chama untumi akoka bibisa. Ufi say omunim di omoka. Ufi say omunim di omoka. But we are grateful. We are grateful to the members of them. We are grateful to their national chairman. Okay. We are grateful to their general secretary. I can assure you. And now Baumia 2008. Nana do go for about Grana on MPP. I'm telling you that is a fact. Former general secretary Nana or in tow. Ebe catch ye. Say look, Tema Nana do confirm be vice president. No nye MPP.
Only card and answer no nye MPP.
Only card.
Only card.
No party membership card. It's not the same.
Yes, me time now you see
you have to be a card-bearing member of a party.
National executive.
Dabi. Obama, yeah, party. Okay. Can you say me
we are card-bearing members.
We cry there, media they make can say. So what the office said 2 times about me and card-bearing when you can into or MPP near, I don't care about that. So what you say, but they make can say. Oh, the arrangement. I know who Sabi. Eda ya see free so be from the one who be pay. You see that free so I see na cost.
Abrofo no obi sa.
You see the we na ba. You see we are said you have two foundation. Well, I dey one who be there. All the arrangement, but I can tell you.
Okay.
Like I said no. Look, me say boy me ah. And omo kan ho no. Omo kan ho ni ma say omo kan. And papa ku for komienu, papa for komiensa, nana do komienu, nana do komiensa. Boy me and look, Nana B say, look, one cry said, "Were you allegedly?" Yes. I did allegedly. Oh, that was so no, free zone go, where you cramonino. Oh, the zone was in Lucy. MP so no, I'm going in a bisino. Oni, was it Nana B say, or say, na Bomia, Ghana, how be a unibium. What? We need credibility.
Medase.
Monamoka.
Obama,
but over 5 minutes.
My first 1 minute, you know. You're a mama on Galamsey.
Galamsey, you.
That's what I'm You're a mama on Galamsey, no. Say, what you can on Asia.
Odike Galamsey.
Oh, me pacho.
Mati.
You're bad advocate for all the nationwide strike. I did a banana. All organization. Civil society groups, identifiable groups. Now me check transport union. Obia wa gana bia yenya be tenafie na otwem yansa to bosome. Say ya hu bibi papa bia obia anko adwuma. Say ya anko demonstration street mu biem. Ama ka say nipa anko nipa koy. Ye cha say a Christian council and no me de krata aba. Bishop conference o me de krata aba. GPL2 mre bo mo kasai. Mo hwe health friend saying health sector we must the kataba you who say the yedi banyina a follow on deaf ears MPP and DC we fa Ghana phone kwa say ya me champion no ya first identifiable groups in ania committee say you who say ko fon be sie wu because o mu piska eti mu nya aduma ye obi a engine obi a trafie 1 month obi a nya aduma sit down strike a teacher for obia betre fie your friend say teachers union no mun nyina ye betre fie na aban no
industrial strike okay
aban do de Ghana be no on fanye because yankwa is on the line
yeah yankwa yanto aso
MPP
aka 3 minutes
MPP unim top bottoms approach papa. But and you may become woman again. Me say top bottom system. Umbeto about once. Every card bearing member, I will good standing. I will MPP. I better have any. It's no more album beam. Now a tour. Ubi abeto one. Umutu we are done. I bet generate a polling station executives.
Okay.
Constituency executives. Regional executives, national executive, and the flag bearer. Oh yes,
about one.
Yeah, die drink.
About one.
Party in the system, no.
Me see a die drink. Wait, master, I mean, come on, say. More dead than we are born.
Oh, na son, now be no, they can't.
Me can't hunter on. Yeah, you know, you are doing here. Critical thinkers, one man make actual. But it can't be any and to quite consulting now, and near Cotoba, Koyi, Penifona, and once. About fixing all the levels of leadership. You a crab in Umbabo. Sika nim delegates nim bibia frimu cracking no be at once now for Macabo. We have to make a party now.
Okay.
That Omu Yesian. What you say? Omu parochial interest supersede the party interest. Omu ebimu feza ye piaba omiama na kwa menya we. Omiaba me say, but anona edi omu trimu dem. Also, uncle power no. Any power more contest election when people 2 penny more.
I just say me na kan.
Me see the pen na nipa num na omo contest no within MPP bi omo be yakono but general election too pack
kan wa say me yakono sesen.
Say Ghana for be hwe omo anim aka say
that's omo ye sellable.
Omo ye sellable.
Okay. Akono dey for aduane.
Say
ana say ade a okodi.
Obi ye onipa wa kono hoda bi nyabotre. Unchi obi say abaya okono akono.
Na me say
adwin boni you have.
Me say abrantie ho akono.
Adwin boni kwa na ebo. Be ma dey gas.
Enipa bi elu pe na Ghana for betimi consider wo mu kakra.
Ani hwan.
Kwabla pon na edutum.
Oh.
Hey.
And then assessment.
Oh please. Na ya rabo me ade no anya me pe opada ko en tran ha. Niemfa bo mian wasem antuga.
Sa na mo ka fa na nado.
Me ba na nado ba be de. Na nado ko je kumase. Akoka kire se manso mo sasa mo nkoto aba ma me. Such a character. No ma da yen. E bia no mo da person mo de ba omi aba no. Ba omi o kere Japan.
What is about me?
Brian Champo. What say?
What is wa kan sa kasa say mensoma obi wa za wo kasa sa.
Ba omi akura de nyensem o keka no opposition no. Enye ka oyobia o party no do a. Kenu kwa so contest we.
Oh
please. Sabaumia ado MPP pa because woman waiver it will come party. It is a party be go be on farm. Now
how do you even say this?
Ah my goodness. Yeah. Baumia is so
obi a oye presidential candidate party ni go and farm. Dabi.
Baumia is so desperate to become president. Baumia, when your anticipation is too high, your downfall is great. I'm telling you, and I reckon Japan so.
Anya na ya.
You reckon Japan. I say now when you're ready to become a leader of MPP, and your knee-jerk approach being a buyer, what they prepare on. So we the passing come out with the and in the super be our done do Ghana. To be frank, or you're successful entrepreneur, but or lack the discipline to lead the
MPP for as a consultant.
Or you're entrepreneur, I'm for any general, but or lack the discipline to lead the nation.
Okay.
Kwabla say, and this way, see you lose election now. You lose quite a farmer. It's very power. See, a Nico president now 4 years will lose what Ghana baby.
Or can't some platforms are some year.
You find yourself. I boost walk when I peer about one thing. MPP, Munko for no Mudi anymore. They did not more. You move the plan Ghana for your we did. You be more beer once some back one say.
Okay.
And Yama Moyano. One party no answer. Obia interest there. Obia interest there. The party I am wrong. Yes, I am the party. Yamoyano. A national executive. Regional executive. Most say party.
Medase.
Just a second.
Second also.
I say you lack moral rights to speak on Galamsey. Important thing is more like credibility and integrity on Galamsey matters.
Right.
And lastly, Sebi Obi Uncle presidential prime minister NDC Uncle Obi da. Say NDC party be pemone. This is first time we have competitive presidential